that, let's begin. Last year we had quite a bit of rumors swirling around about the Mavic 2 before it was eventually released on August 23rd at See the Bigger Picture event. Now, we saw a lot of preview pictures of that, and there's one in particular I'm going to throw up on the screen right now with what looks like a small portable camera. Now, there was a lot of talk at the time that this was possibly going to be for a GoPro Karma type of system where the camera would get inserted into the drone. Well, we all know what happened to the GoPro Karma. It unfortunately met its demise last year. It was a great concept, however, it was not executed very well by GoPro, and it was something that I think a lot of people were very frustrated because it could have ended up being a real fantastic system here. My good friend Steve, otherwise known as Captain Drone, in his 2019 preview video just talked about the possibility that the Osmo Pocket would be made to fit inside of a Osmo Pocket drone, if you will, and because it does have a 3-axis gimbal. I'm in agreement with Steve, and it's something that I've been thinking about ever since I saw the picture that I first put up on there, that this was designed specifically to fit inside of a drone. Question of the day. Do you think the DJI Osmo Pocket was designed for a DJI Osmo Pocket drone? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly. See you later.